What is up, buds? Fly High FPV is back. That's right, shop's open. Parts are going out the door today. I appreciate all y'all's patience while I took my little vacay, but this morning I'm back at it full speed. I'm headed to Birmingham Mountain Radio right now. That's 107.3 FM. You can even live stream it from anywhere in the world if you just go to birminghammountainradio.com. And at 9:30, which is about half an hour from now, I'll be going on there live with Reg and Will talking about Sloss Drone Derby. That's right, this Saturday, April 6th at Sloss Furnaces, we have rented out Sloss Furnaces for the FPV community. So get your drones and come on down. Tickets are only 25 bucks and there's links in my bio. Sloss Drone Derby. It's gonna be fucking dope. We've got a little race course set up on one side for guys that are race curious, and we've got freestyle set up on the other side. We're going to be doing 2 flight lines, have 8 pilots in the air continuously, and keep things going. It's going to be lots and lots and lots of fun. There are 9 stacks at Sloss Furnaces. 9. There's so many pipes and paths and gaps. I don't even know where to begin, but I am very, 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 very excited to get out there and try it. Come on out, fly with us here in Birmingham, Alabama at Sloss Furnaces, Saturday, April 6th. Sloss Drone Derby.